Big progress is happening again at the stadium, and several construction teams are working across the site at the same time. New structural elements are being installed while other areas continue moving toward the next stage of development. Step by step, the stadium is getting closer to its final form. Before we dive into today's update, a huge thank you to everyone who has supported the channel so far. We're almost at our first 1,000 subscribers, and it's an exciting milestone for us. If you haven't subscribed yet, now is the perfect time to join and help us reach this goal. Let's take a look at the latest construction updates. Inside the Tribuna section of the stadium, construction activity continues across multiple levels. Elevated platforms are positioned along the internal structure while crews work around the upper sections of the stand. A concrete pump is also located in this area, indicating that concrete work is taking place in the VIP section above. Some structural sections already have sandwich panels installed, while other parts still require additional panel placement to complete the facade. Construction activity continues along the lateral stand of the stadium where workers are active across several sections. Crews are operating near the corner area beside the parking ramp, focusing on structural work around a small opening in the stand. Equipment and workers can be seen across different levels of the lateral section as tasks continue along the seating structure and surrounding framework. Work is progressing on the first cantilever level as crews prepare the structure for further concrete work. Elevated platforms and materials are positioned along the edge, and some sections have already been concreted. Other areas still require leveling and preparation before additional concrete can be placed, while workers continue operating across the platform. At the south goal elevator core, workers have begun reinstalling the sandwich panels that were recently removed. Using elevated work platforms, the construction team carefully lifted the panels back into position and secured them to the structure after making the necessary alignment adjustments. This work restores the outer enclosure of the elevator core and prepares the section for the next stage of structural finishing. The installation of prefabricated seating in the third tier continues to progress steadily. In the south goal area, cranes are actively placing new seating modules into the remaining gaps of the upper stand. As each section is installed, the overall structure of the third tier becomes more complete, bringing the stadium closer to finishing the full seating layout. Work around the VIP ring is advancing with the installation of aluminum support profiles. These profiles will later hold the glass panels that form the exterior walls of the VIP areas and premium boxes. Construction crews are positioning and securing these structural elements along the ring as preparation continues for the upcoming glass installation phase. The north goal area shows multiple teams working simultaneously across different levels. Workers are applying protective material on anchor bolts and checking connections on the support structures. Elevated platforms are positioned along the facade supports where further adjustments and fastening tasks are underway. A crane is also lifting a new structural piece that will be installed as part of the stairway framework that will eventually house elevators. A concrete pump is positioned in the north goal section, indicating ongoing or upcoming concrete pouring operations. While the pump is temporarily inactive, equipment and scaffolding around the structure suggest that additional concrete work is planned in this area. Several elevated platforms are also visible across the structure supporting various finishing tasks. One of the most noticeable updates is the installation of the first louver support structures in the corner near the main stand. Vertical connections on the black beams had already been installed earlier, and now the first brackets that will hold the louvers are being attached. Additional support pieces are prepared nearby, and more installations are expected to continue throughout the week. And that wraps up today's construction update. If you enjoyed this update and want to stay informed about the latest progress of the stadium project, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Your support really helps the channel grow and allows us to keep bringing you the newest updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next update.